Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to Arena Astronautics. Myself, Aryan Prem Rana, a full-time reputation PR and communication professional. I am an ardent follower and student of astrology by passion. I enjoy promoting ancient knowledge, which is the oldest and is distinguished by its profound thought and wisdom. I strongly believe astrology is a necessary knowledge. However, as a science, it has not been explored very well in this modern age. There is always an unknown influence that works around us. Many of us feel it and understand it, and many struggle and has to work hard. So, how does this work? On lack of spiritual wisdom, we have to operate our lives in the atmosphere of utmost uncertainty, ambiguity, improbability, volatility, fear and sense of security, insecurity, complexity, and apprehension. So, the planetary positions give indications. The planets' positions in your birth chart give useful information and guidance about different complexities of your life. If you know why you are going through a particular phase, you can wait for the time to pass, turn to spirituality and meditation, and do all that which can uplift and pull you through years. The most important thing is developing a sense of spiritual wisdom. So, how do you develop spiritual wisdom? Proper knowledge of astrology can lead us to connect with God. As a remedy to fix the stars, there is something we must do, and that is a spiritual practice and devotion. Our holy book of Bhagavad Gita guarantees that no heavenly body or misfortune shall come in your way if you are totally devoted to faith in God. It does wonders in developing and strengthening the sense of spiritual wisdom. So, so this can greatly help in dealing with complexities and apprehensions. So, what you need is access to timely knowledge of planetary change. And this is where my channel steps in. This channel, Arena Astronautics, tracks, analyzes planetary movements, and communicates how it may affect or what it indicates for your life. Be it daily, monthly, or yearly transits, we are going to keep consistent and regular watch on the entire chain of cosmic changes and help you navigate through difficult times. I must inform you that apart from amounts to total of about 324 transits in a year, there will be about 66 other major planetary transits in 2021 of Sun, Venus, Mercury, Mars, and also Saturn and Jupiter also, because they keep going retrograde and direct and all that. So these are all likely to impact our lives positively or negatively. Hence, access to timely astro knowledge can be really useful and beneficial to your confidence and decision making. So, what you must do now is this network, the network of my spiritual friends. All those who seek my astro advice, I value them as a family and they become part of a strong network of my astro spiritual friends. The purpose of this channel is to help you with on time astro transit knowledge that leads to better understanding of why and how things are unfolding in our lives. You can be better prepared when it comes to future planning, actions, and likely outcomes. And this proper knowledge, astrology knowledge, can also ultimately, which is very important, and which could be the core purpose of our life. So, do join this unique Astro Spiritual Friends network on this channel. And the good news is that it is not going to cost anything because friendship has no fee or cost. The only cost is the cost of time. And therefore, as Dakshina and goodwill gesture, you can subscribe to this channel, like it, and share the post with the people you know. Many of you who are related to institutions and corporate world can also help by referring or sharing business opportunities related to my profession, that is PR and communications. I advise companies on investor relations, IPO marketing, brand building, and corporate reputation management through various PR and communication outreach programs. So do share with me such opportunities. I will be grateful to you. That's all for now. Thank you so much for being here in the comment section. And if you have any query related to your starts, you can feel free to mail me at arenaastro@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. Before I close, a gentle reminder, please subscribe and like my channel and do share the videos with your family and friends who you feel will benefit from this. Thank you once